Hey guys, welcome to Tech Ace Guru. Today we'll be learning how to force stop WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to force stop WhatsApp on your phone, first open the settings of your phone and not the WhatsApp app itself. So open the settings and over here scroll down and you can see there is the apps option available for us. Similarly, it will be on your phone as well. Open the apps option or the settings on your phone, and on this interface at the top of the screen you can see there is the app management option available for us. Tap on app management, and on this interface at the search bar at the top of the screen, tap on it and search for WhatsApp. Open it, and over here you can see there are three bunch of options available for us. There it says the open, force stop, and the uninstall. Now in order to force stop WhatsApp on our phone, tap on the force stop button over here and again tap on force stop, and then the WhatsApp will be force stopped on your phone. And then guys, this is how to force stop WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.